How to make silver water. Some people will teach you a cheaper way to make silver water. All you need are common electric wires, small alligator clamps, a bit of electric tap, 3 9-volt batteries, distilled water and pure silver wires or silver metals. Without silver, how can you make silver water, right? You also need the glass for the electrolysis. However, it is a little bit complicated to put everything together, so I prefer to buy something in the market, and it can make a little bit better quality. So I want to introduce to you what do I have. First of all, you need to do some research for buying a good generator. It's true there's a lot of choices in the market, internet, but sometimes if they ship it to Europe, it's very expensive. Luckily, I find one is made in Germany. I can get it with a very decent price. And also they include 2 pure silver rocks. So that is very important because it makes me less stressed to look for them. Also, you need to use distilled water because tap water, they have a lot of minerals and other particles. Through the process of making silver water, the positive silver ions will have reaction with them, and you don't know what will come up to form. If you are going to make some good quality ionic silver water, one important step in the process of making it, you have to stir the solution. So if you're a lab guy, you know that you can buy something called magnetic stirrer. And this is a good equipment for you to make silver water, because I don't think you can stir it for 1 to 2 hours without stopping by yourself. That is very tiring, right? So why we have to do that? Because the water needs to be stirred to ensure the silver particles are evenly distributed into the solution. So now I have to teach you how to make silver water. As I say, you need to use distilled water, and then you put it inside, and you can use a microwave to boil them, not too hot. And then you put it into the magnetic stirrer. And remember, you need to use this simple magnetic tubes that it can stir inside the water above the stirrer machine. So I'm trying to show you how to do that, and I need to adjust the volume, and you're going to stirring. So the water is hot. So just wait a minute. Yes, it's going to doing it, and the water is stirring now. Yes, you see that? So very simple. Just make the water have the current to make sure that it can build up something like a movement in the water. Okay, now we are going to prepare this machine, and then I put the 2 silver rocks into both sides, and then put into the electricity, and then they will contact to the water, and then there's starting to have the electrolysis process. So for sometimes you can see the rocks, they have some thing like a dirt on the rocks because of the processing. So you don't want to have a lot of things go into the water. You need to sometimes to take it out and to clean it. I use a copper cloth to clean it. You can use paper or anything. The paper towel from the kitchen, you can find them very easily. And then you take away the dirt. Actually, really need to do it. I don't really think so, but I just don't like to see so many dark metals into the water after that. So you continue to doing that for at least 1 hour, and then you can have the tester to see the ppm, how much it is. So when it says like it's above 10, it is good. Now I have 12. So that means you have enough silver ionic inside. In part 3, I'm going to tell you how I use it and how does it benefit our health. So I want you to continue to watch my another espresso, s'il vous plaît. Thank you very much.